To ensure your repair stays flush with the rest of the driveway surface, focus on matching depth, support, and finish from start to finish. Begin by assessing the hole or crack depth and width with a straight edge so you can choose the correct amount of backer rod to fill voids without overfilling. Clean the area thoroughly using a wire brush and a leaf blower or vacuum to remove loose debris and dust because contamination prevents adhesion and causes uneven settling. For deep repairs, pack layers no thicker than 2 inches at a time and compact each layer with a tamper or a blunt piece of wood to avoid later settling that creates depressions. Use a caulking tool or a flat trowel held at a low angle to screed the final surface level with the surrounding pavement, working from the edges inward to avoid high spots. If the material is a polymeric or asphalt patch that remains tacky, apply a light broadcast of clean, dry sand while still workable to reduce sheen and match surface texture so sunlight does not highlight the repair. Cure times vary by material and temperature, so protect the area from foot and vehicle traffic until the manufacturer recommended cure period is fully met to prevent indentations that break the flush plane. Common mistakes include overfilling the joint, which leaves a proud ridge that creates an uneven wear point. Correct this by using a backer rod size to the depth and pressing the final patch flush with a caulking tool so you can remove excess before it sets. Under-compacting layered fills causes future settling and a dipped spot. Prevent that by compacting each layer and limiting layer thickness to 2 inches with hand tamping and checking level frequently. Skipping surface texture matching results in a glossy patch that stands out under light. Avoid this by broadcasting fine sand while the patch is still workable or lightly brooming the surface to mimic the surrounding finish. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss project techniques and trade-offs with other users. We help contractors find work and homeowners find professionals while hosting an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare local experiences.